Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will share with you Bitcoin analysis. We are going to look at from a multi-time frame perspective. Here we are on the daily chart, and as you can see, this is an analysis that I have posted before. The price completed this harmonic pattern near to 90,000 at the beginning of November. But the problem was that the bullish momentum was still very high. So the price increased more than the pattern completion from 90 to 108. However, these deviations are normal on daily charts because we are looking on a daily pattern. We have to look at for big reversal signs, not only quick movement down. However, even those movements may happen. After this moment, the price reaction was very small after the pattern was completed, and we can see that it was only rising here. However, in the current conditions, we should be very careful. The price began this type of reversal process. If we are on the right moment, it is likely that the price is taking this shape, and once it moves down, it can begin a bearish movement. So that is why we have to be very careful with Bitcoin at this moment. I will explain also the other scenarios, but this is what it is showing on a bigger time frame. So on the daily chart, probably the odds are that the top was reached and what at 108k. We must be very careful at this moment. The price is moving down again. If we are going to break this down on a 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see that the price is growing, is doing one move down, growing again down, one top, and finally it looks like that this top here was created. And we have also this support area. See, if I'm going to make this more visible, we can see that we have a very strong support where the pattern was completed before. This is our area that we are looking at, and near to this zone the price is reacting. What is very important at this moment is that it may continue to develop more this pattern, so it can face strong support and it may rise further. But as I see, the chances are that once the price breaks through 90,091, it can continue with a bigger bearish movement. This is what we have to be careful. But for a bearish movement, it has to confirm first. It has to take a pause because we are talking about big changes in trend. It will not move down suddenly. So it wouldn't be wise to say that it is going to move down from this analysis because we are on a bigger time frame. It can take days or probably the whole month before the price moves down. But this is what it can develop with time. So probably we are near to a big crash from this area here. On a 4-hour chart, it is not showing anything important. So the price moved down, testing the support. If you think that Bitcoin is not going to move down more, then you can just place the stop loss below this area near to 90,100 probably. So let's say in this way, if you want to trade the long side, and you can look at for targets around this zone here. It makes sense, or a bit lower if you want. We can look at for support where the price found support on the past. Found resistance, look at these resistance areas, found resistance also here, so we can look at for strong resistance in this zone again. So these are 2 points where we can focus: 96,900, 99,600. If you think that the price is going to rise again from this zone. So this is the bullish scenario. For the bearish scenario, the price has to develop more, it has to break the pattern, as I explained, it has to take a pause, and later we can see the beginning of a bearish movement. In this area, the picture that Bitcoin is already taking shape is this picture here. We have to be very careful because these are very powerful structures. When they take shape, the price can move down from this zone or it may rise again. We have room for interpretation here, but overall it should not rise more than the right shoulder. So probably the right shoulder here was already completed. So this is overall for Bitcoin. And we have to be very careful during the coming days. The bullish scenario, as I explained, the bearish scenario probably can begin from moment to moment. Everything depends from Trump decisions now, as long as the market is focused on his decisions, and he's already taking some of them. Let's see what is going to happen also with Bitcoin. And the bigger picture is the one that we are looking at now. I'm not going to take in consideration a bigger movement for Bitcoin because it is going to take a different shape, but this is so far what we can do and how we can trade Bitcoin. So let's see what is going to happen after Trump takes the office on January 20. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.